My name is Dennis Hubbard, and today I want to share with you information about credit scores that will change your life. And I understand this information is very valuable, so I constructed a free downloadable ebook for you to have. And in this ebook, I'm going to reveal 7 secrets around FICO and credit that you can't Google. You're not going to get this information from your lender, your know-it-all buddy, and certainly not from a credit repair company. You won't even find this information in any books in today's market. These are some pretty audacious claims, I get it. But after I open your eyes to the system and how it works and doesn't work, I'm confident you'll agree. The only question you might have is, well, why can't I Google this information? I'll clarify that as well. It's taken me the past 18 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars in credit bureau fees and simulations that require a fee to unveil the secrets firsthand here at Credit Firm Inc. We've had the opportunity to analyze, test, and confirm millions of different scenarios, not only with the real FICO scores, but compared to monitoring scores as well. And by doing so, we've been able to prove these secrets with thousands of our clients. And I'm here sharing these 7 secrets with you for free. All you have to do is click below and see it for yourself. If you had a financial storm in the past, a divorce, you lost your job, got in an accident, or life happened and you made bad decisions, understand. And these 7 secrets are for you. If you've been trying to recover from the storm and it seems like a series of ups and downs on your credit score and you feel like there's no way off this roller coaster, these 7 secrets are for you. If you used a credit repair company in the past or tried doing it yourself or often think about it, you absolutely need to read these 7 secrets. It's all available today for free. Just click below. I value this information so much. I personally get to witness the fruit of its content every day with our clients. So you may wonder, why am I giving this information away for free? So let me explain. My motivation is to help bring clarity to this broken system. The amount of false and conflicting information put out by so-called experts, our lenders, and credit repair companies makes me sick. And the amount of people we've had sitting in front of us being misled by false information makes my heart ache. So that is why I want you to have this ebook. I'm commissioned to help people. I believe that the secrets are divinely inspired revelations and they came with responsibility to share them. Maybe you're confused by all the conflicting and misleading information out there. I get it. I've been there. It's a mess. It's a broken system. But I understand that each person's situation is different. Each derogatory is different, and so forth. And so I strongly encourage you to download these 7 secrets. With them, you'll see how to apply the correct application with each one of your derogatories, with your situation specifically. And just click below and download it. It's yours. My prayer is that the 7 secrets that you can't Google blesses you, and it helps you discern between all the conflicting information, that it helps bring some clarity to what's a broken system. I pray that this helps you to realize your financial goals, because it's very realistic. It's not a hopeless situation. And from all of us at Credit Firm Inc., we just want to say thank you. Thank you, Texas, for the last 11 years of allowing us to serve you and help you guys realize your goals. We'll see you soon.